Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Word for Android when it's frozen at configuring Word, fetching your files, ... So first of all, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go to Microsoft Word. And as you can see, as soon as I open it, it says configuring Word, fetching your files, ... Now I've tried this several different times, and every time I go to it, it just loads and loads and loads and does nothing. So to fix this, the first thing I'm going to try to do is uninstall it and reinstall it and see if that fixes the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and press the Recents button and close the app. I'm going to scroll up again, tap and hold on the Word icon, and then click Uninstall. Word, do you want to uninstall this app? Click OK. Alright, so it's uninstalled. Now I'm going to head over to the Play Store and try and download it again. Go to Search and type in Microsoft Word. Oops. And then click on the little magnifying glass on your keyboard. Should be the first one. So I'm going to click on Install. Alright, so now I'm going to click on Open. Click Next. It says Getting Better Together. We'd like you to share optional diagnostic and usage data about Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft 365 Copilot app, OneNote, and Loop. It's how we continue to improve. None of this data includes your name, file contents, or information about apps related to Microsoft 365. Do you want optional data about your Microsoft 365 experience sent to Microsoft? Now you can click Don't Send Optional Data or Accept and Send Optional Data. I generally don't like sending optional data, so I'm going to click on Don't Send Optional Data, but it's entirely up to you which one you choose. It says Powering Your Experiences. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft 365 Copilot app, OneNote, and Loop includes experiences that connect to online services, for example, downloadable templates from office.com, and OneDrive file storage for sharing files with people you choose. When you use these experiences, Microsoft 365 collects diagnostic service data. In addition, some of these services analyze your content to deliver suggestions and recommendations. To adjust these privacy settings, navigate to Privacy and Permissions from your app settings. So I'm going to click on Close. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize Microsoft Word for a moment. So I'm going to click on the Home button. Now I'm going to scroll up, go to the Samsung folder, and in my Samsung folder I'm going to go to My Files. I'm going to select a PDF file. My most recent file is a sample PDF that I created just to see if it would work for this. So I'm going to click on that. As soon as I do that, it says Open With. I can select OneDrive, Drive, Firefox, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Samsung Notes, or Microsoft Word. I'm going to leave it on Microsoft Word since that's the program that I want it to open in. You can select Always or Just Once, but I'm going to go with Just Once. Then that way I can open it in other programs if I want to do that. And as you can see, it opened the sample PDF that I created. I'm going to go ahead and close Microsoft Word, so I'm going to click my Recents button. I'm going to go ahead and close My Files first, so I'm just going to swipe it up, and then swipe up for Microsoft Word. So that is how you fix Microsoft Word for Android when it's frozen at configuring Word, fetching your files, ... Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.